Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create social media posts with Canva 2025. So guys, welcome back. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. And let's get started. So you want to create eye-catching social media posts in minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how step by step. You just need to know what uh, social media you'll be posting on. Is it Instagram? Is it Twitter? Is it Facebook? You just need to know what kind of media you're going to need to be presenting. Now, using Canva is actually quite amazing because the platform offers a lot of free stuff like templates. So just go ahead and log on to canva.com. Make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account, go ahead and simply sign in or sign up. Now, if you do have an account, just go in and sign into your account, and we can get started with the Canva. All right, so going ahead to create a social media post is quite easy. All you need to do is head over to the create at the top left. So click on this create icon at the top left of your screen, and now you can just go ahead and click on social media, and it's gonna show you popular quick actions and popular aspect ratios for your posts. So from Facebook covers to Instagram reels to TikToks and many more, including WhatsApp statuses. There's just a whole lot of activities going on the platform that you could make use of to create your design, as it's better that way. So once you've decided on what you want to post, for starters, let's try this Facebook cover. Click on this, and it's going to open up a custom Facebook cover design. And now all you need to do to make the best out of this is to simply take out this name, Facebook cover landscape. Just take it out and simply use the templates. That's the search millions of templates. So what are templates? They are basically cheat sheets by people who have already created designs. So all you need to do is just either copy of those designs and edit them, or take inspiration from them and create your own design. So it works either way. Now, all you need to do here is, like I said, just simply search for the Facebook landscape, and you would find templates like that. So let's just go in and type that. All right, so I've typed it in, Facebook cover landscape. So you could simply find similar templates based off of the design. Templates like this, you could find them on your feed, and then you could just simply make use of them for your project or for your personal use. I would suggest going with something you could easily edit, as most elements in images like this are not movable. But when you click on customize Facebook, um, Canva would create a new page and allow you to access that new page, which means you would be able to edit sections of that image. Uh, if you go through the template, you'd find other examples of this. You'd find other examples you could make use of, other examples you could edit. All right, so heading back to the empty Canva design we were given, you could simply edit that design. But while that loads up, let's wait for our template as well. All right, so with the post opened up, you can kind of like see what the creator of this has going on. This is quite insightful. He or she had bent this to go with the elements. You could straighten yours and make it across the tree line. With Canva, for free edits, for free templates, you could simply edit them into your taste. So embrace the season, grow with grace. And then you could have something like this, and it would look kind of like this once you're done editing. Changing up the colors is not possible, as this is actually an image. You could alter the image itself, you could alter sections of the image, but changing and affecting color changes would only be to the text and some parts of the image. All right, so now another thing to mention is on the left hand side of Canva, we have design, elements, text, brand, uploads, tools, and projects. Designs are where you can find your recently used designs, designs that are similar to this in size, and also customizable designs. The crown by the side of any image you find is a Canva Pro template. So you're going to need to have access to Canva Pro in order to edit the image. Now, if you head over to elements, you could add different kinds of elements like shapes, graphics, frames. You could also make use of the AI image generator for your social media posts. You could also have, kind of like memes created for you. You could add stickers. You could add um, stuff like this. You could add photos, videos. Sometimes you could also add audio if you wish, polls, sheets, tables, frames, grids, mockups if you're trying to sell something on your social media, uh, collections as well, and different kind of text. So the text being used here, I believe this should be a dynamic text, but I'm not sure. You could simply right click to show the element timing, to lock it in, to use alternative text, to even duplicate it as well. Now, they also have something known as magic writes, where you could simply write something in, and Canva would try to either adjust what you've written or change the text and things like that. Now, if you move on to brand, if you own a brand, you could, display your brand here. Since it's a social media post, you could go with uploads, that's your recent uploads. You could also go with tools like the select, the draw, shapes, lines, sticky notes, text, and tables. Now, projects are for things you've been working on, and then we also have apps, which are for the tools you could use, like crop photos the way you like, things like this, uh, turn photos and illustrations into pixel art. You could pixelate the entire image. So, guys, that's how you can go about editing the template. If you wish to create your own design, all you need to do is simply open up the menu here on the left hand side, and you could make use of the features that are accessible to your account, such as the design, the photo collage. You could include elements. You could take inspiration from other posts you're making use of. All right, guys. So that's how you can go about creating something like this. Comment down below if you have, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.